So today I have another show and tell for you guys on a synthetic unit, and this is by the Stylist collection. If you know sis, you know. This wig is sold exclusively at SAMSBEAUTY.com, so I'll be sure to link all that information down below in my description box, and of course a direct link to this unit. This is their Invisible Lace HD 13x6 pre-plucked wig in the style KAYLA. You have the option to choose a regular transparent lace or a brown. And of course, since I'm of a deeper complexion, I chose the brown transparent lace. This is how she looks on the stock card. And we're going to just hop right into the unboxing. Oh, and I have her in a color number 2. I felt like a color number 2 was only fitting for this style. Do you see her? I'm already getting grown and sexy tees, okay? Do you see how that lace look? I said, what? Do you see? Do y'all see that? I'm excited. I hope you guys are too, because I know I am. If you guys aren't familiar with the Stylist collection, you definitely need to get familiar with this collection. Do you see how much parting space you get? I always say that the Stylist collection is giving Sensational's What Lace collection a run for their money. I'm just saying. You do get a little bit of baby hairs in the front, and the hairline is pre-plucked. I'll show you guys better as I'm applying this wig, but let's get into it. Okay, so I have KAYLA completely styled, and I'm feeling her. Let me, give you guys some more angles really quickly. I'm going to say this wig is about 12 inches long, maybe 12 to 14 inches. It has a little bit of an angle to it, but nothing dramatic. I love the body wave texture to this unit. Now this is a wig that's more on the silky side, so keep that in mind if you don't like more silkier textured units, but I feel like the texture matches the style like perfectly. The hairline came really good, and as you guys can see, I went in and got it together a little bit more to my liking. And I just feel like this is one of those wigs that's perfect for beginners because you don't have to do too much customization to this wig. The price range is about $40 typically for the Stylist wigs. And like the quality that you get for that price is really unmatchable in my opinion right now in the synthetic wig scene, because a lot of these units we are seeing the prices just fluctuate. Like, y'all, some of these companies are getting out of control with these prices, but I'm gonna digress on that, but they need to get it together. I love the volume, and I could have went in and flattened it on this side. It came so flat, as you guys seen, like so flat. I'm gonna insert a clip so you guys can see that again. Like, it came so flat in the middle part, but of course this is a 13x6 unit, so you can part it anywhere you like it. And I decided to give it a little bit of oomph. Y'all know I like my little right side part, so I went in and parted it on the right side and did like this little situation that we have going on right here. And I like a little bit of this volume left at the top, so I didn't even need to bring out any hot tools. I just used a little bit of mousse to relax the hair, and I was good. I did use a little bit of dry shampoo to dull down that shine, because since it is on the silkier side, I noticed that silkier units tend to have more shine than others. Since this wig is so lightweight, I do feel like it's perfect for the summertime. The length and everything is definitely on the classy, like grown and sophisticated side, but you can pull it up and do like different little updos to it, if you want to add a little bit more youthfulness to it. I don't know if I mentioned the density, but it's very lightweight, but it's full. So you're not going to see any tracks or anything, and you could get away with like pulling this wig up into a ponytail or like doing, you know, something like this, pulling it back in a ponytail. You got like options with this wig. So I just feel like the length and the density is just complementary to one another. She is definitely a bop, especially for the price. So, oh yeah, the last thing that I want to mention is that the cap construction on the Stylist wigs are big head friendly. I don't think I ever had a wig from this collection that hasn't been big head friendly. Quickly, I'm going to show you guys the stock card one more time, just in case you guys want to go to samsbeauty.com. I will have all their information linked down in my description box, and of course a direct link to Miss Kayla. I feel like she's a nice unit to have into your collection if you work in like an office setting and you like to serve a little bit of, you know, corporate tease, classy, grown and sexy vibes. So go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed this video. If you aren't a part of the family, of course, we will all love to have you as our cousins, okay? So you can do that by subscribing to this channel. Follow me on Instagram at OhSo805, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye. Y'all. You see that? Do y'all see that? Like this, she is sitting. Sensational. What lace where? Like where? And that hairline, baby, don't play with her.